Hello, good morning everyone. My name is Yasin Mohammed and today I'm going to present our project, Agent Proof of Concept for the course Artificial Intelligence. Our team, MASTI, developed an AI-based system that helps students find internship that truly match their skill and interest. The main idea is to make internship matching more fair, transparent, and skill-based. This is the overview. And in this presentation, I will cover the introduction. So for the introduction, many students struggle to find internship that truly match their ability. Often, they are unsure which skills employee really need, and this creates confusion and unfair access to opportunity. Because of this, the student may waste time applying to an suitable position and feel uncertain about their future career direction. The gap between student and employer is the main problem our project aims to solve. So why this project matter? We developed this system to make internship matching more fair, transparent, and skill-based. Our goal is to guide the student toward the right opportunity and help them grow professionally. At the same time, our system supports sustainability by encouraging remote and green job options, which help reduce unnecessary commuting and promotes a more responsible future. This is my part, and thank you so much. I will pass the next part for my friend.
Okay, now I'm gonna talk about the peace framework. So first look at the environment. Okay, this is the domain where our agent operates. It consists of student and mentors, digital CVs, the live job market API, and the regulatory context. Okay, for the percept error, we can see that the agent interact with this environment through percept, and then this percept are picked by our sensors. These include NLP CV parser to read resume, job API to fetch requirement, and a logic evaluate to process the data. So once the AI internship advisor process this information, it use its actuator to generate results. So this include a recommendation engine and report generator. So finally, the agent performs an action back to onto the environment by delivering the report to the student, completing the feedback loop. Okay, now I'm gonna talk about the peace framework. So first look at the environment. Okay, this is the domain where our agent operates. It consists of student and mentors, digital CVs. The now let's see this workflow in practice. This is the input phase, so which should correspond to the sensors part of our diagram. Here, the system acts as an interface between the user and the agent logic. We input the candidate profile. In this case, we have a student named Tan Cheng Yu, a freelance web developer with experience in Next.js and Python. Simultaneously, we feed the agent with the job detail as for a software engineering internship at the Green Tech startup. The agent now has two critical pieces of data it needs: the current state and the goal state. Once the Analyze Match button is clicked, so the agent will process the logic and triggers the actuator, the result, the match analysis report. So the agent will provide the immediate quantitative feedback. We can see the 23% in the analysis report. So when they click the generate report, so they will see the full report in PDF, so they can download the PDF. For this page is showing the advisor feedback and learning roadmap also generated by the agent. So when the PDF is downloaded, we also can see inside the PDF.
Hi, Doctor. Now I would like to talk about the configuration of workflow agent in N8N. First, let me explain the main analysis workflow. The first is the trigger. So we can see it start here at the webhook, where we receive the user CV text and the job description. And the second one is the information extractions. The data split into two paths. The first is the bottom path goes to the information extraction agent. We use Google Gemini here to read the text and intelligent pull out key details like the company name and specific technical skill. And next, we use a structured output parser here to ensure the AI given us clean, usable data every time. And third is the data processing. We use a merge node to combine the original user info with the newly extracted skill data, then a cook node formats everything into a clean JSON structure that our main AI can understand. And the main brain is this link to the main AI agent. This agent performs the core logic. It calculates a max score between the user and the job. It gives a bonus score if the company focus on sustainability or offer remote work. So we can see it lists out the missing skill, required skill, and the last is it suggests a learning pathway. So for the final response, the web would output a complete advisory report for the user. Okay, next, let's see the part two, the PDF generation workflow. So once the user reviews their report, they might want to save it. That bring us to the second utility workflow. So first is the input lah. When the user clicks generate PDF, this web will receive the HTML template filled with their specific result. And next is the conversion. We pass the data into an HTML to PDF converter node. And the last one is download. The final file is sent back to the user, allowing them to download a professional PDF version of their career advice. So in summary, we can know that this system automates the tedious process of job matching, providing instant, personalized feedback to help students land sustainable AI careers. Thank you, Doctor.
Yeah, so this our product demo. So hi, now I'm sharing some of my progress of the AI. So this is the AI internship analyzer and I'm using the MAN and the Streamlit to done it. So you can see I have two workflows. So the first one is this one, the main agent and the information execution agent. And the second one is the HTML to PDF. Yep. So let's try how to use it. So basically, it means to that you to find a better internship match and that you know what you can learn. So this one, your name, and you can put your CV, just copy and paste, just put it in. And the job detail, this one, the company description and the job description, you can just simply get from your LinkedIn, your job street, or anywhere. So let's start the remote. Okay, good. So let's start. So now you see your analysis report. You can see that this one is a green company and remote position as the analyzed from the company position, and you give us mark based on that, and also the skill gap analysis, the mention lifting, and also required, and as well you have advisor feedback for you to see why we are getting the mark and how to get better, and yeah, we get the learning roadmap also. Yep. Okay, if you want a report for you to generate to your mentor, yep, we have to generate that report for you. So you have a report, a nice report for you. Yep, that's all for me. Thank you.